Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Last week we learned these 4 sounds, right? Can we try to read them together? First one.
E, is, feet, sheep. A, is, feet, legs.
Then what is the difference between these 2?
One finger or 2
Which one is for one finger?
fingers?
Yes. Right? Together. Let's see the first one now. So when you see 2 E's together, it says E. And when you see E and A together, it also says E. So what else? What also says E? Think about the word he. So when you see the letter E, it also says E, right? Now what about the word piece? A piece of. When you see I-E, it also says E. What about the word key? E-Y. Yes, when you see E-Y, it also says E. So for all the letters, there are some common combinations that have this sound. Combination. 字母组合，有一些特定的字母组合呢，它发某一个特定的音。Okay, now let's write all the combinations down. So notebook ready. Now let's see the second one. It. So when we see the letter I, it says it, right? Then what about eraser? E. Yes, sometimes when you see E, it says it, right? Then what about many and any? When you see Y, it says it. Last one, how to say 忙碌的? Busy. So when you see U, it says it, right? Together. Let's see the third one. Have a look at these words. So when you see the letter E or EA together, it says E, right? Then what about the word any or many? Which one? Yes, A. And the last one is pretty simple. When we see the letter A, it says together yes. So these are some common combinations of the sounds. Okay, now let's see the second part. Guys, you can open your book, turn to page 21, please. Have a look at the second part of pronunciation. We saw these sentences yesterday, right, in 1B and 1C. Now have a look at this part and this part. What is the difference? Yes, contractions and non-contractions. So when do we use contractions and when do we use non-contractions? So these are what we learned yesterday in 1B and 1C. They're about Peter and Ella, right? And today we are going to learn the conversation between Peter and another girl. Have a look. What is her name? Yeah, Chen Jie. Then what about this man? Mr. Smith. Where can you find the answer? Here, right? The names here, so we can know the name of this girl and also this man. And then have a guess. What are they talking about? Look at Chen Jie's hand.
介绍.
Yeah, so she is introducing Peter to Miss Smith. Okay, now let's take a listen, guys. Let's listen to their conversations and circle the colored words. What's colored? Still remember? Yes, 彩色的词语，带颜色的词语. So in this conversation, there are some colored words. Please circle the right one. 卢坤宏, can you tell us the answers? Okay, thank you. Now everyone, let's learn some useful phrases or sentences in this conversation. Okay, number 1, when you're introducing somebody, which sentence can you use?
This is.
This is somebody, right? Please highlight it. Next one. So for Mr. Smith, we know he is from the US. We can also say he comes from the US. So be from equals to come from. Yes, highlight this sentence, write it down. And yesterday we said how to say 班主任 in English. Class teacher, highlight it one more time. And last one, 我的错，我的问题。My mistake. And it equals to my bad. Together, my bad. My bad. My mistake. My mistake. Then how to say 犯错误
Make a mistake.
Make a mistake or
Make
mistakes. Okay, write it one more time. Now please turn to page 22. You will see two questions there. Please read the conversations and then try to finish these two questions. Go, 20 seconds. First one?
B.
Yes, and number two?
A.
So we know who is her first name. Then what is her full name? Full name. Go away, right? And guys, take a look. Sometimes in English, between the first name and the last name, we have the middle name. Yes, middle name. In Chinese, we don't usually have middle names like that, right? But in English, sometimes you can see the middle names. So next time, if you see a name like this, you will know, oh, this is the middle name. Okay? Do you know this man, by the way? Yeah. Yes. He is a character in Harry Potter. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, guys, let's see. Let's read this conversation for the second time and try to complete the table. Highlight complete the table. Well, when you're in primary school, you already learned the word table, right? What does that mean? Usually. 桌子. But what does it mean here? 表格. Write it down. So complete the table means 完成表格. So we need to complete the table with the information about them. Information. Is that comfortable? Can we say an information? No. So how can we say 一则信息, 一个消息? A piece of information. Write this one down. So now if you finish, you can complete the table with the information about them.